Hey YouTube, this is day 7 or 8, I forgot now, I think it's day 8 of the YouTube collaboration that me and Leslie are doing, the 13 days of Halloween, and today I'm sharing the paper clips. So this, if it's going to focus, there we go, is what I've made for my altar paper clips, and I've punched a 1-inch circle out, and I've used stamps for the potion bottle and the little monster that I've coloured in, and for this one I've actually punched it from Halloween paper and then attached the paper clips, put them on a little bit of cardstock and just distressed ink round them. That's what they look like in the back, on the back. So I've just stuck another circle over the back just to hide the hot glue. And this one, I actually saw somebody on YouTube that made coffin embellishments, and you just cut a coffin template out of card and use that, and then pick whatever card you want to use as your coffin. I went with wood, then the wood effect. Then I stamped my little ghosties out, stuck them on. I used the DIY words, which I print out myself, and put them on paper clips and put them on a piece of card, distressed around the edges, and I've put little circles at the back just to hide where the hot glue is. So those are my two altered paper clips. The bags aren't finished yet because, as Leslie's pointed out to me before, we are going to be doing a video on how we do our bag toppers. If you've watched, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.